welcome to the first hot sauce video of 2020.
Oh, got it.
Also, after first hot sauce video to 100,000, a lot of people asked about this. First, this is not easy to film, so I don't know what I'm doing. They're not easy to get to sit in one place because there's more of us that aren't even here because they're all on site right now. We would have a lot more people if earlier. Yes, the microphone's in the shop because I don't know a better place to put it. I had it above us, I had it below us. I'm done thinking about this because that's not the point of this video, is where Tom stuck the microphone. And Kyle was very concerned with what stickers were still on the hot sauce. So this is...
How are you going to read it? It's not even in English. It's hard enough to read as it is.
Yeah. So I will say first, and I believe this was sent to us to Mr. Stackhouse. I do remember who sent us the gummy. I could be wrong if someone's angry right now because I said the wrong name. But if it was you, Stackhouse, thank you.
We'll put it in the description.
And if it wasn't you, you still have a good impression on top.
We won't put it in the description.
The gift labels to them.
We should tape the gift labels. People do send us hot sauce. Please don't send us Seymour Davis Insanity. It doesn't taste good. And but yeah, so this is one of the things I said I'd eat when we get the 100,000. So we're gonna do that. But before we actually eat this,
it's so small.
It's so small. We're gonna figure out how to divide this between us. We are going to give some honorable mentions to some of our favorite hot sauces. Now, there's an entire fridge. Maybe if this video is popular...
We're probably missing some.
Please send Pirate's Lantern. I like mustard.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that one's good, too.
Hot mustards are great.
Hot mustards are good. But this wall of hot sauce represents ones that don't have to be refrigerated. There is an entire refrigerator that the door is filled top to bottom, and there's more sauces within the fridge. So there's just... We have... it would be an exhaustive list to try to review them, and it's not my specialty. But it is something I'm passionate about.
Kyle and I could.
We should do a hot sauce review.
Yeah. Maybe we'll do that. There's enough demand on this because a lot of people have asked. But then
Two idiots review hot sauce.
Yeah.
This one's hot.
This one's hot. This one's hotter. But we will at least give some mentions. Now, all the Bravado Spice Co. ones are really good. There's nothing that we've had that we don't like.
They keep their flavor profiles really unique. So
the blueberry. I'm looking at the blueberry, ghost pepper, blueberry, and jalapeno that aren't up here. But those two are ones that we don't use very often. But they're great on pancakes.
I was gonna say he's got a waffle maker.
Yeah,
we put them on waffles.
Yeah, we have them on waffles. But black garlic Carolina Reaper, amazing.
It's really good.
And someone mentioned this other one by them, the AKA Miso, the Ghost Reaper Miso.
I didn't like that one.
Aka Miso.
I
think it's
Aka.
very
also known as Miso.
I think it's it's
got like a smoky taste.
I think it's
like
red in Japanese, not also known as.
Oh,
I think
he speaks more Japanese than me.
I think.
Literally.
Don't quote me on that.
As known as.
Because I speak none and he speaks some. So
I go by the name Miso.
I go by that's all I read.
My friends call me Miso.
Someone who's got a bilingual tongue, leave in the comments below and rage about how we got AK wrong. So AK means red.
Miso spicy.
It is. So
Eric loves dirty dicks.
Yes, he does.
I love dirty dicks.
He makes sure to say it all the time.
It's
He
great.
says a lot.
These have the same number of flames on them, but the miso is by far the hottest sauce by this company.
Yeah, miso's in your other hand, and the flames look angrier.
Yeah, this has much angrier flames than this.
These ones look like candle flames. These kind of look like forest fire flames. So
I don't know if there's any distinction here, but these flames are going to the
these
right.
These kind of remind me of the flames from Super Mario 3 that came out of the cannons.
Yeah, it's a little different. Then we have Marie Sharp's. This is really good. It brings the fruit out of the habanero.
I was going to say, it has the most habanero flavor of any of the sauces. Yeah. It's so good.
So, and we're happy about that. It's got this, I would describe it as the genuine. Yeah.
It's empty.
There's a bunch of full ones in the fridge. We just didn't bother grabbing them. We do buy a lot of those. And this stuff is dirt cheap. It's the El Yucateca hot sauce, chili habanero black. And we got bulk bottles of it up on the firewall up there. And at the very top, in some later video, we do have one. We have one called The End, and we have the LD50, and we have Satan's Blood. But we'll get into all those and maybe some other videos. Right now, we came here for one, say we have a lot of hot sauces. Two, to figure out how to quarter up a gummy bear. I want to know if this is
It's hard.
It's hard.
Do we all just lick it?
No. That's wrong.
Oh, listen to that ting.
Well, that is not gummy.
No.
Oh, this is.
Was that supposed to be?
This is Satan Toe all over again, man.
Uh-oh.
Should we microwave it?
No.
Just cut it, Steve.
No.
Quit playing your food. Our food.
I'm trying to center it now.
Okay, it's gummy.
No, it's still not.
It's not as gummy
I'm
as...
trying not to now destroy the table.
Okay. Clean cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the head side's a little smaller, so we're gonna...
Yeah, you gotta get them at the arms.
I'll take the smaller piece. I'm a wuss.
Well, no.
Me and you both, Tom.
I'm trying to make it quarters by volume, not by measurements.
Okay.
There you go.
All right, dig in, everyone.
I was gonna grab that one. I guess I grab a foot.
Oh, Jesus.
Are you not having some, Steve?
Are we just going for it?
I was trying to get it off for you.
Oh, it's hot.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
There
I
it is.
didn't think very highly of this, but this is actually,
It's so hard. How is it this hot?
It's like the toe of
Satan's
Satan.
toe. Yeah.
This is Satan's toe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Oh.
it's gummy bear. Now,
Mm.
we're not going to give you that reaction that you were maybe hoping that you see people do on there. When you consumed black garlic for breakfast, black garlic Carolina Reaper sauce.
That's why I told you should get Brett to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember when I put this on a chicken nugget?
Oh, yeah.
Remember when I smeared it on a hot dog? It was too much, by the way.
I like things that come in its own bottle. Gee. Okay, this is hot.
Yeah, I was going to say.
It's building.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Feels like my face is getting red right now.
Yeah. Drink.
Getting
Do
warm.
not adjust the color on your screen.
No.
This is not a color correction effect here. I may be slightly red now.
How much did you say? 9 million?
Yeah.
All right, give me some fruit by the foot then.
Wash it down.
Wash it down here. Ugh. I probably have the lowest heat tolerance out of any of you guys. I mean, I love hot stuff.
I don't know, Eric's.
Yeah, I haven't ate
getting
a lot
there.
lately.
We've been doing fruit by the foot that's spicy.
Spicy melon or fiery peach?
I don't even care right now.
Give him the peach, because that one was awful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this, but so this is us eating hot sauce. Like I said, we're not really sure. I don't know. We're not flavor people like to describe. We're not chefs. We're not Alton Brown, which is my favorite Hot Ones episode ever.
Yes.
But if you want more hot sauce videos, you have some suggestions of how we're supposed to do this, or what you'd like to know about these hot sauces.
It tastes like fruit punch in hell.
It's like fruit punch in hell.
Mm-hmm.
My lips are numb.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying my best
hot.
not to inhale too much because I can feel it tickle the back of my throat every time I do.
Uh-huh.
That's what it did to me on my.
Oh, it's becoming
This is
more
like
uncomfortable.
Yes, it does.
Eric doesn't feel good.
Peach bacon.
I don't feel good either now. I don't know if it's gonna help.
No.
Could be worse. But that's hot. That's
I do
very
remember,
hot.
though, the toe of Satan 12 minutes later and then having to lay down.
This isn't quite,
Please tell me
this
you're
isn't
getting
quite
a...
as bad, but
I mean, this is just what we usually do here, sitting at the table, anyways. You're eating some of this really, really hot stuff like this.
I love
Oh.
that used to be, like, that was a challenge on YouTube for a while,
I know,
so we
we're
got
like-
some.
We bought some, we're like, this ain't hot at all.
So we put, like, hot sauce in it.
Yeah.
We watched other people do the challenge, like, wow, that looks hot. They're dying.
This, with this, that's a challenge. Oh,
it's starting to hurt.
have some of that. I think it makes me feel better.
Oh my god, that hurts.
How long should I wait before I drink something?
I don't know. The
What's
fridge
in
is
the-
right
what's in the
there.
thing you want to drink?
I don't know.
I think
Don't
Anything-
drink anything with citrus.
I think he wants the whiskey now.
Yeah.
He wants it to go away.
I want to go away.
Oh, it tastes awful.
Also, we reviewed Fruit by the Foot, sweet and fiery. Tastes
Don't
awful.
buy that.
The melon one is
awful.
pretty okay, but the peach one?
I'm okay with it right now because
I got them at the dollar store this morning.
I forgot to grab my drink.
the best part is we got to go back to working on stuff when we're done.
Speak for yourself.
I'm gonna tell them, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to get anything done.
No.
I'll let this video though.
Oh, it hurts worse.
Well, there you go. We did the little Nitro gummy bear.
Oh, it's hot. Who gave us this?
That's a lot. I mean, I
They
guess
tried to assassinate Eric.
I didn't think this was going to be anything. Oh my god.
There's flames on the box, Eric.
That doesn't mean
That was a clear
anything.
giveaway. Wait, there's flames on this box.
Yeah.
But those flames look more real and angry.
These
Those
are
look like
cartoony.
comic flames.
They are
That's-
comic flames.
Like
These aren't
the
spicy.
peach one literally looks like the flames on a Hot Wheels car.
It does.
No, the peach one on the box looks like the flames in a Hot Wheels car. In real life, it looks like bacon.
Yeah, in real life, this looks like bacon.
I feel like I just got home from the dentist. My mouth is like really shaky and numb.
Yeah.
Novocaine
Wow.
eat your heart out.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna go blow my nose. It's getting rough.
I need that drink now.
So let us know if
Oh
you
my
want more
God.
of these hot sauce videos. But we do this for breakfast sometimes.
Well, not the nitro. Not the
Not the
little
nitro.
nitro.
No.
We did this for dinner the other day, though.
Mm-hmm.
We
Oh,
eat
it
breakfast,
hurts.
lunch, and dinner here. That's why the hot sauces are here. It's not just for show. We eat it, and we invite people over.
I hardly have any hot sauce at home because it's all here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um.
I brought those iguanas there.
They're good.
Those are actually surprisingly good.
What's that?
If you're ever
Iguana.
looking for random hot sauces, go to Marshalls or TJ Maxx.
You'll
Yeah.
never find them again, so you'll find one you really like that's imported from who knows where.
Yep.
But it's a cat.
It's a good Asian cat.
Oh,
Oh, does it really?
that's cool.
Oh, my mouth still hurts.
I like the cat. My eyes are watering now. Yeah.
I don't
Oh.
think this doesn't dissolve as fast as the.
Nah.
Did they all have that?
The chocolate. We did the hottest
They
chocolate.
don't all have that.
That gets hot really fast and goes away. This is still completely with me.
This hurts. My
The
stomach
worst
hurts
part
now.
about this is like the toe is Satan because it was hard candy dissolves, but this is gummy, so it just stays there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna stop this here.
I can't tell if I want to chew it, and make it go away, or not.
I already
Oh,
chewed it.
I chewed it. It's
Yep.
everywhere.
It's everywhere.
It's in my head. It's in my nose.
It's in my
eyes are
lungs.
watering. Yeah, my lungs a little bit.
Oh God.
All right. Well,
No, I'm
thank
good.
you for watching. If you made it this far, watching us do this, there's enough people asking about it. That's why we decided to do this. If you have suggestions how to make this better, or someone's gonna say, "By not doing this ever again." Not
Yeah.
fine with this.
Tom
There's
only
different
needs a
feedback.
Maro.
I'm okay with this too.
No, tomorrow you should update our hot sauce list on our website. We have a good
I
list of
should.
hot sauces on our website, but we need to add more to it. So we will get to doing that. And thanks.